Okay, so here's what we think happened to the printer. So this is my printer. I was gonna actually do a test here, but it's doing a table height test, so it's looking at the laser there to see laser in there. And then what it's gonna be, what you're gonna see is that black motor back there. You can see that little thunking, and you can see the little motor move. Well, Anajet thinks that that motor's going bad is why it's doing that. So they're going to send me a new motor. They're going to send me a new table. So I guess my machine's under warranty still, so they're just going to send out that whole kit to replace it, and then it'll be done. And we'll see how that works.